Okay, people, you're welcome to Cape Coast Central Region. Yeah, yes, we are hosting the 65th birthday of Ghana. It's about the second capital or a Central Region. We are in town in Samoa, Ghana. YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe and let's give you up-to-date information on what is going on in Cape Coast. Zoi Korewa Central Region. We are bringing it to you live from Cape Coast. Now, this is brought to you by Highways Pub in Oil the Breeze. There are a lot going on. So guys, get ready. We're going to have fun. We're going to show you what is going on in Cape Coast. You can see a lot of helicopters, Namirim. And that shows that we are really celebrating 65th anniversary of Cape Coast. You can hear the sound in it. Yes. So people, I'm inviting you to Cape Coast. Once you set off from Kasua coming to Cape Coast, you will see a lot of branding of Ghana flags. Baby about Dubia Ghana flags is available there. And the school kids are also doing some cleanup on the streets. So we are inviting the whole country, Obiambra Central Region, because Yawazoya, the name still remains DJ Parker Rich. Subscribe to this YouTube channel in Samoa, Ghana, because we are here to give you up-to-date information about a 6th March celebration happening in Cape Coast. And Yaza Brown is CCRA. Zimetri will be showing you a lot of stuff happening. My name is DJ Parker Rich. Yankodo Neyenshe. We are here to celebrate Ghana, the 65th anniversary of Ghana and Yaza Brown live from Cape Coast. Now I'll be bringing you interviews. Cape Coast far. Are they even happy that the whole celebration is being hosted here? Chairman, what fraud then?
But for me, Ejo Otu.
Eja Otu na yanyana kasawe. Eja Otu na yabasha. You look very busy. You don't know what kwana wonhu. Oyabazi na wa mo hwaeda.
Oh, mo pochopi mucho foundation. Mucho bino dane foundation.
So when I tell you, you're amazing, right?
Pochonya me amazing.
Ghana, while it celebrates the 65th anniversary no waha. Why a 6th March in this year with Cape Coast? Now who can otsenan?
Oh, masa madasi pi. Be safe for washing and don't know. Yes, sir. Only the I'm the of joke me think I'm for. Then when me a farmer. We school 1984.
That's right.
Okay, sir. But we could say ma. But the age ma put na bamu Cape Coast. And then Cape Coast no. Ebam juma no me mishubiru. Ejuma bi asem ye ba mutum ye. Pocho bi ma hwe, but I ejuma, my the man that shemamba mo we SS.
Nice one.
Yes, it be any for technical. Na ku so we SS. And here school kunara. This year
question in there. Celebration at why you Cape Coast in. Also then I azoma mwenyu wajide gwaifa.
Oh, and the kwapa ya dey enyu waji papa. Na sha mara munkukrom na mu shebe mu. Na mutu mu shewu mo. 12 o'clock time the way airplane agriculture all that adanyo yim na mu na ya afi Cape Coast ya kwan yim.
Na anyen bwahwe so a wo kire de ko ukro no mu ahotsew anade siesie no wakosor baby ankankane na light yin won sisiara ya wa light wo ha enyimfa na ehu de bia na ha na ha onyema bi ndimu ye but onam 6 March ninti why ye ni ye
yo madazi bi no kwapa na with be seven na run about here me jam you say na hanso okay hanso no do bi what wa chance be adwuna ma ai wo fandan ikrowi abodun kwafo but mu na abodun kwafo mo be no nyema asese wo ha mo no oye abia ekwana mu duem ko tembia mu duem ko ba
nti ahwa na chances ya ha ye clean nti oye dede bia ye gwai da ma na da oye ye twen wo riza afia ansa ye siesia
oye da wo twe riza afia ansa bo sisi gwa mu because you gwa ne kwa mi ayi fi papa ma be 3 weeks time mo fo bo food no we go tem enya masafa bi okwa obiara pata masafa bi ekutu be kuntu bo okwo wo go tem yina we know le hobe bi wan say obi wan sa won no okay won kasa
all right omampanyin reba ha oye kwesida onye bedi afi na oribei bibi da wakoma do epere baka choman panyina
oh mama kande omo oyo enya ye panyina wala nye do mi yana sabi kafra wo bobom wo yi wa yaw obi ba tan obi so bodo ntam se mu de e no banze difference aba ugwa memu mo difference aba anam de mo jangite sema no won nantam mo watu volunteer bia wo che wo hwan ne yamina advance 6 match soldiers wo be no one day mo fukro ne mu la enifan ikwamu jusin enkanon manato
yada se bebre de nyamrenyan kase na mo beden bia se nya bibi so bia wa yebasa na aba won chen
mbɔkyɛm do ase fi yɛmi hyɛ wɔn wɔn wadwuma pa a wɔyɛ na wɔyɛ yɛmi ɔnka wɔn na wɔn mpanyinfo yɛn a na ɛma na ghana mpanyinfo yɛn na yɛn mpanyinfo a wɔdi yɛn bia yɛmi ɔnka wɔn na wɔn yɛ yɛn ho abotar na wɔn yɛ yɛn ho dɔ na wɔn ho keka yɛn na ɔni mu ba da sɛnya wɔyɛ yi ama wɔyɛ sisi pa gyina gyina nsesa ma ɔma gyina ma afɛ
ọbaba